Has this happened to you? Of course it has. It's happened to all of us. But I have a solution that can protect us from possible allergies. It's so easy to do, isn't it? You get that tip on there, you get a little too much product, because if you go with a little too less, you don't think it's not enough. It doesn't hold your tip on there. So we've all been there where we've squished the tip on and it comes out the sides. It's a common problem that we're doing. Now, if you keep doing it over and over and over, it's a possibility it could lead to an allergy. Once you get an allergy, you can't go back. So I've been thinking, how can we remedy this? Actually, I thought of this for another video that I did with Grant and remedied the problem for nail biters. But then Cameraman says, you should do that before you put the tips on and the stuff goes out the sides. So it was actually Cameraman's idea. Great idea. I'm calling it the Ring of Protection. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So my new favorite polish brand right now is Holo Taco. Okay, Christine has sent me in her Holo Taco collection this protective peel base. And that is going to protect us. It's a latex covering. It's a latex, it's a latex in a bottle. And you can use any brand you want, but I happen to have this one and I love this brand. I'm going to do this. I'm going to paint this liquid latex around the cuticle, but be very careful not to get it onto the finger because that is going to contaminate your nail bed.
Under the fingernail, maybe?
Yeah, under the fingernail. Because it's going to contaminate that nail bed and make the product possibly lift. So get as close as you can. And the more coverage, the better the protection. And you know sometimes how we get it? We squish that tip on. Not only does it go at the cuticle and the sides, but it goes underneath too. So take a little bit of the stuff and paint it under here. This will complete the ring that I'm talking about. You want a complete ring going all the way around on the skin, protecting that exposed skin. Okay, and that's why I'm calling it the Ring of Protection, because if that ring is right around the whole thing, no matter where you squish the goop, whether it's acrylic, gel, hard gel, builder gel, hybrid gel, anything on there, it's going to even polish gel, like gel polish, right? With the Ring of Protection, it's going to help protect the skin. So we're going to just dry it, and then I'll show you. We'll put the tip on it. Okay, let's just grab our product that we're going to use. I'm just going to use Easy Gel in this case. But I'm going to grab one of my quick tips, and I've got long stiletto. I love long stiletto. Okay, so now I'm going to exaggerate how much we need to get. Now I'm going to grab a little extra to specifically show how the goop squishes out for this experiment. Okay, now let's turn it over. Okay, so now we're going to squish it on. Okay, so I definitely got more than I needed, which is great for this experiment. Now see how your finger's being protected all the way around? So it's sitting there, but we can wipe it away. And see underneath too, if it was to squish onto the finger, it would have got on there, so it's protecting it all the way around. Now, of course, we don't want that much, but I'm doing it just for the experiment to show. I want to really make sure it's obvious so you can see it. And now we want to wipe away. So now we're wiping away, but we're wiping it away from the skin. Yeah, I did have quite a bit on there, didn't I? Okay, let's wipe it away with a little alcohol. See, now it's dancing right across that latex protection. That's the beauty. It's working really great. Look at that. That latex has stayed right on there and it protected my entire finger. I have no skin contact. Even underneath, I can make sure that there's nothing touching. Perfect. Wow. Okay, let's nuke it. Okay, now that we've completed the curing process, let's remove that ring of protection. I've just got some alcohol in here on my little pad here, and I'm just taking it off. Oh, there he comes. Look at that. Oh, look at. Just pulling it off. See that? See how it's just kind of coming off? And we'll just pull it off all the way around. And it came off underneath on my pad. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and clean. No exposure for the skin to be touching uncured product. That's the whole thing what causes allergies, is your skin is exposed on a regular basis continually to uncured product. And then you just want to go around and you just do your cuticle work and buff it up if you like, getting ready for the gel polish. And you're ready to go. That worked really, really well. Great idea, Cameraman.
All right.
Nice. Awesome. Well, I want to thank everybody who's supporting me. My NCE company is just growing. I just changed or transferred to a new warehouse. Everything is going along so great. I have to thank you personally from the bottom of my heart for everybody who's purchasing my products. I started with one size of my Suzie's Quick Tips, and now I have 5. So excited. From my easy gel kits that I'm selling to my quick tips. Thank you so much. I did do a video recently where I used the peely stuff on Grant for bitten nails. It worked out perfect. I was shocked. It was actually an experiment. Check it out.